people behind those avatars and usernames are here. Ayun na si Marcel. Nag-baseball mag-isa. Ano ba laban mo? DJ. Ah, ano pala? Ayun pala. Kala ko siya lang mag-isa. Ano yan ha? Mark. Mamaya mo na lang bayaran. Sabi ganun eh. May bill na yan mamaya. Sabi. Ano masasabi mo sa kinain mo?
Masarap.
Pwede ka na umuwi.
Masarapan din.
Sabi ka na minauwi.
So before we move on with our re-party, I would like to congratulate Redbox for hosting once again another memorable event. Because Redbox Live, congratulations Redbox. How old are you?
Familiar faces. I know I've stood before you numerous times before, but thank you again for supporting one of our, another one of our events. Being in the karaoke business for the last 5 years, we realized that we need to continuously innovate to keep our customers coming back, not just for songs, our karaoke systems, our food, but we need to give them more reason to want to come back here to Redbox. And tonight, we're launching to you our Wii Nights. So starting October, Nintendo Wii will be available to our customers. It's only fit that we launched it first to you so that you get first dibs at this new night of ours. And hopefully you support us like you've supported many of our events in the past. So
Thank you, Sir Paolo, and at this point, we're inviting everyone to vote for your best lover. Because for those who came in the classroom, for sure your efforts will be rewarded. So, post that. And then Sir Arvin, we have Sir Azrael, and of course, Mr. AJ Matela. So we'll be asked
by next week, we'll be coming up with food and drink packages for everyone. So please check out our website soon at www.redbox.com.ph to view the different programs we will have. Thank you.
Oh, boto mo ko ha. Boto niyo ako. Yung yung GC. Kakain tayo dito. Sige. Party tayo. Pag nanalo ka, party tayo. Sa atin lahat yun. Yay! Kala ko hustler eh.
Parang bilyar lang, ano?
Looking yan. Hindi, napaka-high-tech ko naman yun pag nagawa ko na yun.
Kala ko naka-wifi ka siya.
Imposible yun, imposible. Sa Skype.